There are 7 basic talas and 5 jatis. We have to be able to recite these jatis in all the talas in 3 different speeds. The 3 speeds are the Vilambita, that is the slow speed, the Madhyama, that is the second speed, and the Drita, that is the third speed or the fastest speed. Vilambita, Madhyama, Drita. The Madhyama speed or the second speed is double the speed of the first speed, Vilambita. The third speed or the Dhritakal is double the speed of the Madhyama and 4 times the speed of the Vilambita. Now we shall do Tishra Jati in Tishra Ekatalam in 3 speeds. 1, 2, 3. This is Tishra Ekatalam. Let's recite it with the bowl or the cholle. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta. So this is the first speed or the Vilambita. When you have to double this, each beat or each akshara will have 2 syllables. So takitta has 3. So your first beat will have 2 syllables, that is ta, ki. What is left? Ta. That will come on this finger. Now the next takitta, which has 3 syllables, the ta, first syllable of the next one, will come on this, because we have 1 space left there. And the second takitta, kitta, the 2 syllables will come on this finger. So now you have distributed 2 takittas in these 3 fingers. 2 fingers, sorry. So now you have distributed 2 takittas in this 1 avartanam of Tishra Ekatalam. Earlier you had only 1 takitta in 1 avartanam. Ta, ki, ta. Now you have fitted in 2 takittas because you have doubled the speed. Double of 1 is 2. So you have fitted in 2 takittas. How have you done it? In the first beat you put ta, ki. Ta comes on this finger. The next takitta, the ta of the next takitta comes on this finger, and kitta comes on this finger. So the second speed will be ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. This is how the second speed of Tishra Jati is recited in Tishra Ekatalam. We shall do it as a recitation now. Ta, ki, ta. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. So what has happened now? You have said it in 2 speeds. Now we have to go to the third speed, where each beat will have 4 syllables. Your takitta has only 3. So the 4th syllable is going to come from the next takitta. And now remember, in 1 cycle of a talam is called an avartanam, as I told you in the start. Now your each beat, each avartanam will have 4 takittas. In the first speed you had only 1 takitta in 1 avartanam. In the second speed you had 2. Now in the third speed you will have 4 takittas. How will you fit in 4 takittas? First beat of your Tishra Ekatalam will have 4 syllables. Your takitta has only 3. So we borrow 1 syllable from the next takitta. So we do ta, ki, ta, ta. 4 done. In the next one, the previous takitta's ta is gone. So kitta is left. So kitta and the next takitta, and from the next takitta we take takki. So kitta, takki comes in this. What is left of that takki? Ta is left. That ta will come here and the next takitta will come. Takitta. So we have managed to fit in 4 takittas. Observe this. First takitta is here and then 1 beat from the next takitta is taken. Next takitta is completed here with 3 beats and 1 of the next takitta is taken. And this takitta is completed here and 1 more is taken. So ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. So that is how you do Tishra Jati in the third speed. We'll do it again. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. Once again. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. I'll put it here for you. We'll do it together along with me. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. Okay, now we have split the three speeds into parts and done it. Ideally, we should be doing it together because only then we get the relation between the three speeds. Okay, we split it and did it only to make you understand how to recite it. Okay, so now we will recite Tishra Jati in Tishra Ekatalam in three speeds. Ta, ki, ta, 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 ta. We'll do the same thing now again. On your thigh you will do it. This is how most Carnatic singers do put the talam for the song. Okay. Ta, ki, ta, 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 ta. We'll recite it again so that you practice, you are able to do it along with me, and then you can practice separately to check. Ta, ki, ta, 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 ta. That completes Tishra Jati in Tishra Ekatalam.